Microwave. Can I knock it out of the corner? See, it's a microwave, I think. Playing kick the microwave. that you can't see for some reason. Oh, I just kicked the microwave into the floor. It's down there now. And there's the gurney. And there's the IKEA shelf that I kicked into the wall earlier. That you said wasn't in the wall.
I kicked the IKEA shelf into the floor.
But I kicked it into the wall before you kicked it into the floor. And now, and I kicked the gurney into the wall and it fell down. It disappeared. It fell down into the abyss. And there's a recycling bin. And there's the chair. And I recorded this so you can watch it back later. Oh, and there's... I'm not sure what this big thing is. I think it's swamp cooler, maybe?
No, it looks more like a ice chest.
That's a big ice chest.
Ice, ice maker.
So that we see the same, but everything else is different?
Yeah.
What about this recycling bucket here?
What recycling bucket?
This one, right here.
Oh, that little one I call it a waste basket. That's blue.
Yeah.
I don't see it now.
It's right here.
I seen it earlier in the chair, but I don't see the recycling basket or the chair anymore.
They're both right here. I just kicked the recycling basket next to the chair.
Nope, I don't see them.
But they're right there. You just kicked them as you were ran past.
The things that I throw are disappearing on me.
There's another chair. It's a different kind of chair. This one's
An office chair.
yeah. You can see this chair, but not the other one.
I seen a wooden chair earlier.
Yeah, that's the other one that was back there. Do you not have your graphics set so the items just stay put and they never fade away?
They're saying there's a computer monitor here.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube later and send you the link. And you can see the microwave. I'm gonna title this video "The Microwave." Oh look, another microwave. Another microwave. I'm gonna go around this corner where the microwave is.
I see a microwave right in front of me. In this, hallway.
Oh, now you see a microwave. But you didn't see the other microwave. I should have hit record earlier. I could have been recording that whole thing.
You just ran past the microwave.
Yeah, I know. I saw that microwave. I saw it first. There's like a wooden box right here. Do you see the wooden box?
I just threw something and I don't see it, but it looks like another microwave. I just
But do you see the box in front of me?
Nope, no box.
There's no box? What am I looking at?
Wall.
There's...
Oh, this is the old CRT monitor.
Yeah, you just kicked the monitor. It's
No,
right
you
here.
kicked the monitor.
No, you kicked the monitor.
No, you kicked it. I was nowhere near it.
Yeah.
The monitor's right in front of you.
Yeah, the monitor is right in front of me because that's where you kicked it to. There's a jackhammer over here.
If I see the jackhammer. Don't remember throwing in a jackhammer. I guess it's so small.
There's still a wooden box over here.
Oh yeah, I see the wooden box now right here next to me.
Next to you.
Yeah, it's right in front of me.
There's nothing over there. The wooden box is over here.
No, the wooden box is over here, here right next to me.
There's nothing next to you. The wooden box is over here.
No, there's nothing next to you.
But I have a wooden box over here.
But I had the wooden.
Come here. Nate, go over there. Where'd you go? Go over where you said you saw the wooden box.
I'm kicking it toward you.
Well, stop kicking it towards me because I'm trying to kick this wooden box towards you. There, wooden box.
Yeah, it's right in front of me.
No, it's to your left.
It's directly in front of me.
It's to your left.
Nothing to my left.
There's nothing in front of you. Well, technically, I'm in front of you. Are you calling me a wooden box? I'm going over by the microwave. Whoops, I kicked the microwave. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Microwave.
Yeah, I kicked it.
You kicked what?
The microwave.
You couldn't have kicked the microwave. I kicked it. It's not
I
even
kicked
there
it.
anymore. It's over here.
It's not there. It's over here next to me.
It's over here next to me. How did you kick it out of the corner where it was when I already kicked it out of the corner before you got there?
I don't know, but it's right next to, in front of me and in front of you now. And it's standing up on its end. Now it's behind you.
It's right there.
No, it's behind you.
No, it's in front of me.
Behind you.
In front of me.
Behind.
There's nothing behind me. You're behind me. Are you a microwave?
I guess it's better to be a microwave than a wooden box.
I'm gonna end this recording and post it on YouTube now.